NASA just released the audio recorded from a black hole, and it is the most terrifying thing you will ever hear. Many people think space is silent, but this is a mistake. If there is enough gas, sound can travel. This recording comes from the Perseus Galaxy Cluster. The sound you are about to hear is 57 octaves below middle C. NASA had to speed it up billions of times so human ears could hear it. To me, it doesn't sound like physics. It sounds like millions of souls screaming in the void. What do you hear in this darkness?